about the $1 million, and that's what's attracting almost 500,000 people to our $1 Million Portfolio Challenge. Let's get some more winning stock picker strategies from our bloggers, James Altucher with StockPicker.com and Jeffrey Mischlove with ForecastingSystems.com. Jeff, you're going to make this really easy for us. You're going to tell us not just what to buy, but on which day of the week to buy it. Walk us through Monday through Thursday.
Oh, okay, and that's a strategy that I really like, day by day. If you can get the best stock each day, you will win this contest. Monday, my recommendation is Phillips Van Heusen.
More retail.
Yep. On Tuesday, Arrow International with medical supplies. On Wednesday, Cons Inc. And on Thursday, DSW Inc.
And the day you buy, are you out of it the following day, or can you overlap? Does it matter?
Well, now in some instances, the companies haven't been precise about when they're making their earnings announcements, so I allow a little leeway for that. But generally speaking, I am in and out of those stocks in 24 hours.
Okay, so and on Friday, do you want to go back to cash, or what percentage of your total portfolio are these four names? You
know, I haven't mentioned or even decided what I'm doing for Friday yet. I'm still waiting on that. But in general, I will be almost 100% invested in one or two or three stocks each day.
You are hardcore, man. I like that a lot. James, you know the mortgage business quite a bit, and you like. Do you like Novastar, and is it Impact Mortgage?
You know, like is an interesting word.
Yeah, sure.
These are
in the context of the contest, right?
Yes, yes. So in the context of the context, these are great companies to own. There's going to be a lot of volatility. Everyone's going to realize next week that these are not even, you know, Impact in particular is not even a subprime lender. It's an Alt-A lender, but people threw it all in there, you know, and slammed it. So that's going to be a strong play for next week.
What's the catalyst you see at work here this week? I mean, it's not like some event's going to happen. Is it you just think investors are going to come to some sort of realization the sector's been oversold this week?
No, there will be an event. People will see. What's going to happen is banks are going to come in and buy the subprime debt for 98 cents, 97 cents on the dollar. People are going to see it's not 80 cents on the dollar, which is what the newspapers are saying.
It's not a disaster.
Right. It's not a disaster at all, and these stocks are they're trading at 1/2 of book value now. They never did that before.
Okay. Speaking of mortgage companies, we got an email. Stephanie, what do you got?
We have Jean from New York. She emailed us asking about LEND, the Accredited Home Lenders Holding Corporation.
Okay, that's a name that a lot of people are familiar with. James, what do you think?
Well, Lend is also in the same boat where they've been selling off their subprime paper for 95 cents on the dollar. But in terms of this contest, it already doubled or tripled, you know, in the past week. I think the play is over there. It's not going to be as much fun. You need to have fun in order to win this, and you got to play the volatile stuff.
It is a game. It is a game. We make no apologies for that. Jeff, let me ask you what you think of James' strategy. Are you interested at all in the mortgage companies?
Are you asking me?
Yeah.
Not particularly. I'm not looking at it right now industry by industry or sector by sector. I'm really looking at other factors primarily.
Like what?
I'm looking at charts, I'm looking at technical factors, and I'm looking at news announcements.
News announcements. James, how much volatility is in your own portfolio? In other words, what's the average time that you hold a given name?
I think for all of these plays, you should try to hold between 1 and 2 days. And the reason is, and just to go, like, I'm very impressed with Jeff calling a stock every day.
A lot of people are.
I think what you should really do is every day look at the 52-week low list. If something fell 20% that day, buy it at the close, hold for 1 day. That's a winning strategy.
Right, that's another good tip. Thanks, guys. A lot more from you in a minute. Coming up next on America's Business Channel.